Today we're going to be looking at this Android tablet. What happened is that the Android logo was just permanently on the screen. It was just looping on that logo. There's no reset button at the back, if you can see. Look, you have to use these buttons, the combination of this button, the power button, and the volume keys to get this thing sorted out. So let me show you a quick way of doing this. All you do is hold the up volume down. So volume down, power button, hold it down, wait for about 10 seconds or so, and it will come up like that. Do you see I was pressing the button and then it comes into this screen here? And what I did, I just left it. It will stay on this for about 2 minutes and then it will attempt to boot itself. And once it boots, it will factory reset. You will lose the apps and stuff. You'll have to reinstall them, but other than that, it's great. So we'll just wait until it's done and then it should just reboot itself. Note, this might not be the same for all tablets, but it did work for this one. So you can try it, because I was looking on the net and I couldn't find anything to help me. Most of them are like Motorola's or Samsung's, etc. But for one that's a generic tablet, there was no information. There you go. Right, it's attempting to boot. And hopefully it should boot up on the new screen. Factory reset. There you go. Your Android tablet is back. Subscribe, rate and comment.